So a few days ago, veve ecomi announced that you will be able to redeem your master collector points and you will have a chance to get a higher spot on the waitlist. So there is a higher chance that you will be able to secure your collectible or the NFT that you want to purchase. And based on this news, the OMI token is pumping right now. Basically, it's up like 20%. And this makes sense because people are bullish on the utility of the OMI token, which has finally arrived. And as I stated in my previous videos, the OMI token will most likely go higher than its previous all-time high, because we are basically going from zero utility for the last 3 years to some utility right now. And I'm 100% sure that the utilities will grow and there will be more ways that you can use your OMI token to secure drops or even buy collectibles with OMI token. And in the ecomi article, it states that the highest amount of the OMI tokens that you can buy to increase your master collector points is 10 million OMI tokens. And this will give you the highest OMI token rewards on the veve app, as it claims right here. And yeah, many people are really happy with these news, and there probably will be more updates throughout the 2024. And I think 2025 is when the bull run actually goes in the full speed and we experience the euphoria, and that's basically when the OMI token will reach its all-time high, in my opinion. And yeah, let's see what the future holds for the ecomi and veve project. I think it's really one of the most undervalued NFT projects still in the 2024. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about these news and these veve ecomi updates. Follow me on the X platform because I bring some alpha there as well. Subscribe to my YouTube, and thanks for watching.